Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to register a new company in Delaware. Delaware is widely recognized for its favorable business laws and tax advantages, making it a great choice for new businesses. Let's take a look at the process. Choose your business structure. Delaware offers various business structures, and the one you choose depends on your business needs. The most common are LLC, Limited Liability Company. Ideal for small businesses because it offers liability protection and flexible management options. Corporation, a more formal structure suited for larger businesses, especially those planning to issue stocks or raise capital. Limited partnership. If you have multiple partners, this might be a good option. The structure you choose will affect your legal responsibilities, taxes, and operational flexibility. Choose a business name. Your business name must be unique in Delaware and should comply with Delaware's naming rules. For an LLC, your name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company. You can check name availability using the Delaware Secretary of State's online database. Be sure your name does not infringe on any trademarks. File the certificate of formation. To officially create your LLC or corporation, you need to file the appropriate formation document with the Delaware Division of Corporations. For an LLC, you file a certificate of formation. For a corporation, you file a certificate of incorporation. This can be done online or by mail. The filing fee is usually around $90. Designate a registered agent. In Delaware, every business must have a registered agent who can receive legal documents on behalf of the company. This can be a person or a company authorized to do business in Delaware. You can serve as your own registered agent or hire a professional service. Obtain an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is required for tax purposes. You can apply for one online through the IRS website. It's free and necessary for opening a business bank account and filing taxes. Once you've completed these steps, your Delaware company will be officially registered and ready to start business. Delaware's business-friendly environment makes it an excellent choice for many entrepreneurs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more business registration tips and advice.